The worst part is that today is Saturday. I can't even go to the bank. The bank.
Cecilia Chigozie Okoro, that's the name of the person that has just wiped all the money in my account, 3.6 million into an OP account. I'm begging everybody, please, Zenith Bank, OP, I beg, make una help me. I take go beg una. I don't have any kobo anywhere again. What will I eat? I know if you beg, I beg una, I'm gonna help me anybody. EFCC, police, Nigerian police, I beg. I don't know the authorities. Zenith Bank, I'm begging you people, please. This just today, 3rd of May. This today, so 3rd of May 2024. It's not even up to an hour ago from now that I'm doing this video. I beg you people, please. Help me from OP, please. Help me reverse the money. 3.6 million, please. That's everything I have in my whole life. I don't get food for my house to chop now. I beg you people. Check my previous posts for the evidence, the phone number of the person I chatted with. It's a verified WhatsApp number. Please, MTN, all the people involved, EFCC, I beg you guys, I'm on my knees. Please help me, please. Reverse the money, please. I did not authorize it.
The worst part is that today is Saturday. I can't even go to the bank. The bank.